Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. This is the cute little Valentine's card I'm making today. Isn't it sweet? It's really simple to make, but I love such a very simple design of this little row of hearts. So let me show you what I did. The card base is balmy blue. So this is a standard A6 card base. That's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. And then I've cut a piece of basic white here, and this measures 4.35 centimeters by 10 centimeters. And I'm just going to stick this down to the front of our card. Just like that. Excuse me. Now I have another piece of basic white, and this is going to be the insert, and it's cut exactly the same measurement, 14.35 by 10, and I'm going to stick this on the inside of our card. Okay, so that's what we've got so far. On my original card, the back here is Starry Sky. But I decided for this one I was going to change it up, and I'm going to use Sweet Sorbet, and you can tell me which you prefer. So I'm going to stick this down now, just on top of our Starry Sky, or on top of our basic white. And I should say this measures 13.85 centimeters by 9.5 centimeters, but all the measurements are on the blog post or on your sheets, so don't worry about that. Now our squares, I've already cut mine to save us some time, but you need to make sure you cut this piece of paper to, let me measure it on this measurement, 4 centimeters by 4 centimeters. So you need 3 of these, and then each one needs to be cut to 4 centimeters by 4 centimeters. Okay, and then we're just going to arrange them in a line. Try and make sure the pattern is going in the same direction if possible. And you're just going to arrange them in a line there. So I'm going to use a little bit of Tombow just to give some wiggle room. And this is the Country Bouquet Designer Series paper, or it's from that suite, and it's in the new mini catalogue that you can find it. So I'm just going to arrange here and put my last one down. Just like that. That'll do for me today. Excuse me. Now, that same Designer Series paper has these gorgeous pattern paper, and I cut it up into strips, as you can see, and this actually, and then I used this Country Bouquet matching punch, and this actually punches out these hearts straight out of your Designer Series paper. I'll show you here. You can get the leaves and the heart. Just line it up and punch. So that's one, and I need to punch myself 2 more parts, so let's do that quickly. 2. And I love it. It also matches the matching stamp set I'm going to show you in a second, and I'll punch the hearts out so that you can stamp. That's really useful. You can punch out either the Design Series paper, or you can punch the stamp images. So these extra bits I'm going to save. I'm not going to get rid of those, save that for another project. And I'm just going to keep these 3 hearts here, and I'm going to pop these up on some dimensionals. So let's find the dimensionals here. Then we're going to do a little bit of stamping. It's a really easy card to make. I hope you like it. If you do, I'd be grateful if you could give this video a thumbs up so YouTube know. It really helps my videos become more visible on YouTube. I'd be very grateful. And always, you know, if you want to subscribe, that would be even better. So let's take our backings off our hearts. And then put these down. Okay, so there you go, there are hearts down. So let's set all of that aside for a second and do a little bit of stamping. So I'm going to find a scrap piece of basic white. Let's see if this is going to be wide enough. Let's see if it's going to be wide enough. I don't want to show. Let me find another piece. Yeah, this is better. And this is the stamp set Country Bouquet. So you can see here, you can punch out the hearts and the leaves. You've got the different heart images here. Happy Valentine's Day, all sorts. And I'm going to stamp in Sweet Sorbet ink, because that's what we've been using up until now. So try and use my grid paper to line things up. Down. Lovely. So let's close this up and clean up as we go along so we don't put something accidentally in the wet ink. It's always a good way to prevent an accident. Okay. So now I'm going to cut this out using the trimmer again. And let's see. That looks fine to me. Sorry about the noise. Then I'm going to use one of my favourite punches, the Banner's Picker Punch, to pen at the ends of my sentiment. And I'm going to see how this looks on my card. That looks fine. So I'm going to put dimensionals on either end, but not on the centre because it's covering the heart that has dimensionals already. And then I'm just going to put a little bit of adhesive in the centre. Just line it up something like that. And then I did on this one just some finishing touches. I used some pearls. Just here, I like to do sometimes this just a line of gems or pearls or enamel dots, whatever. So that's that card done. So I hope you liked it. As I said, if you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up. All the information for the project will be on the blog post, so the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.